All right, so you are gonna learn how to grid your image in Canva. So open up a new presentation, find your image that you wanna use. I am using a tiger. You're gonna select on an image, see in the bottom right corner where it's showing the pixel size. You want something that's large, so that 1600 by 1600 is perfect, but I want a different image. Want something that's a little bit closer, awesome. Copy it, go back to your new presentation and paste it in there. Make it big, so blow it up a little bit. You're gonna crop it. So click on the crop option and then click 1:1. You want it to be a square. You can pick the left or the right size since we're zooming in on the eye. Whatever one you want to do. I'm going to choose the left. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to see where I want the focus. And then you're going to crop it. You're going to drag it in the top left corner. You're going to make it larger so it hits that bottom edge. It's taking up most of the space. Next, you're going to find the grid. You want a 4x4 grid, and you're going to go into the elements. Scroll down until you find the one that it's not super thick, like this one here. And you're going to drag from the top left corner to the bottom right. And now we have gridded your image. You're going to print these at the library. So you are going to share this to your computer so it is no longer in Canva. So you're going to go to Share, select Download, and you're going to change the file type to PDF print. And then you're going to click the purple download button. It's going to download to your computer so that way it's ready to go when your class period goes to the library. The library might be different, so please review whatever is in Canvas.